How to add Google reviews to your Shopify website. From the left hand side, we want to click on apps here and we will search for Fera and press enter. I will show you how you can set this up as well. So we want to choose the first option, Fera product reviews app, and then we will choose install. This will refer us to the Shopify page and we just have to confirm the installation. So just click on install here at the bottom. So once we have chosen to install this, then it's going to look a little something like this, creating your account, and we can go directly into reviews. And once we have chosen reviews, we can either add manual reviews, so we can write it manually. We can ask customers, or we can import and sync. So if I click on import and sync, then the last option here will be for Google Business. So if we click on Google Business here, then we can connect our Google Business accounts. And once they have been connected, or once it has been connected, then you can sync now. And this will import all of your reviews into Shopify and you can display them onto your Shopify store. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.